one after another. Smoke in the air, I start to smother. My mother would be disappointed if she knew the things I avoided. Cop gets behind me in the line. I'm rolling 90 down Main. I put the pedals to the floor. I don't care anymore. I'm coming down from a life that's never changed. I go for the struggle each and every day. I play cheap guitars to make my month's rent. And $2 bills are worth the money spent. I'm on the wrong road of life. I'm all alone, barely getting by. Well, hi there pluckers, I was Saw Things again, hopefully with another interesting lesson for you. This is probably a song that not many of you have heard before, and this is one of the many songs I've done from slightly unknown artists, shall we say, that have yet to be discovered big time. Okay, so this is a chap called Jenks, okay, Jenks. And the song's called Barely Getting By. Okay, so standard tuning, capo on fret 4. Okay, now this is a fairly straightforward song because it's the same chords for the verses and all the choruses. Play exactly the same way, and just different words on the verses, of course. Okay, so it won't take me long to show you this one. Okay, so it starts off with a bit of a muted strum, so sort of just rest your hands, left hand on the fretting hand on the strings very lightly, so it's just to mute the strings a bit, something like that. Okay, and then it goes like this. This is the main sort of gist of the song. Okay, that's the main gist of the song. In the instrumental bits there's a bit of a hammer on, but during the verse and the chorus there isn't any hammer-ons. Okay, it's just chords. So what am I doing there? So basically I'm starting off with an A minor shape. Okay, now obviously in this with the capo on fret 4, for you people who like to know exactly what I'm playing, obviously it's going to be a C sharp minor with a minor shape, but let's just call it A minor shape. Okay, A minor shape, I'm hitting the 5th string open, so to hit the bass string, the 5th string open, then the strum. Now I'm going to a G chord, whichever G shape you like. I'm playing that backwards sort of shape like that. You can play a standard shape if you want. Right, so now I'm doing. Okay, then I'm going to an F major 7. Okay, so it's an F chord, a 4-fingered F chord. So it's a basic simple F chord. But you lift up the bar, the first finger, lift it off so that only the top string is open. But I like to put in the extra finger, so this 3rd finger goes up to the 5th string 3rd fret. 3rd finger goes up from the 4th string to the 5th string 3rd fret, and pinky takes over on the 4th string 3rd fret, 5 downwards. That should sound like that with the toppy string open. Okay, so now you've got this. And then what he does there, as far as my ears tell me, I could be wrong, but they're usually fairly accurate. He's sort of strumming the F major 7th, and then he takes that 2nd finger away, leaves the third string open, and then a quick G, and then back to the A minor. So it's that's the basic riff throughout the song. Okay, so let's do it very slowly. Okay, and then repeat. Okay, I'll do that for it slow in a minute. I'll do that very slowly for you. There is what I like to do myself. I'm not quite sure if he's doing it, but I think he might be. Is when you go into that F, initially the F major 7th, I like to initially leave the third string open and hammer into it. So it goes. Okay, got that? Then you do that. So the way I play it is like. Okay. Now, occasionally on the intro and in between the verse chorus bits, he sometimes puts in a hammer. Okay, so the first 2 times you play this, you do. He does that little thing. So it goes. Now all that is an open 4th string, hammer into the 2nd fret of the 4th string with that 2nd finger, or whichever 1st finger if you're doing it that way. So it goes. If you're doing it the standard way, it's. And you just go open 4th, and then you play the 3rd string open. Okay? So he puts that in on the intro twice round, so it's. Very slowly. So this is just for the intro and in between verse 1 and 2 and probably 3 and 4. Okay, so it's. And then after that, after you've done the intro, you just play the chords. You don't do any hammering, but it's the same to play on the chords. Okay, so it's intro. I'll do a bit of intro in the first verse. Okay, so it's, so after the chunky bit. My brother's one after another, smoke in the air, I start to smother. My mama would be disappointed if she knew the things that her boy did. Instrumental. And then off into the next verse. And that's it, boys and girls. That's all he plays all the way through the song. It's obviously my playthrough did the first 2 verses and the chorus. There's another couple of verses to follow with another chorus, okay? Played exactly the same way with different words. So there you have it, boys. Nice, short, sweet little number for you from a relatively, I think it's an unknown artist. I've never heard of him before, but nice, pleasant little number. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.